fẹ́ kó wo fídíò yìí DSS ti sọ̀rọ̀ léde o díẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ jáde wọ́n ní ìdí tí pé kìí ṣe pé torí wípé former governor of Zamfara state wọ́n ní kìí ṣe pé torí wípé Yari ìyẹn senator pé kò gbé kọ̀ ni àwọn ṣe lọ rí gbé pé torí ìròyìn yìí ó ń lọ káàkiri lórí Facebook káàkiri lórí social media pé torí pé kò gbé kọ̀ ààrẹ ìyẹn Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu torí ẹ̀ ni àwọn DSS ni wọ́n ṣe order DSS pé kí àwọn lọ gbé wọ́n ní rárá o pé ọ̀rọ̀ ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rò ó so wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ wínníwìnrìn náà nínú ọ̀rọ̀ mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà that's why tó fi jẹ́ pé ó máa ń take me sometimes n bá rí news torí kò sí nǹkan táwa sí lọ́dọ̀ wa tẹ́ ẹ̀ ní gbé fake news wá dó ilé tó jẹ́ kinní gangan èmi ò gbé mi ì gbé so mi ì gbé wá but nísìn tí tó bá ipa ti gbé náà ní bí wọ́n ṣe máa ní bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ nìyẹn anyways mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wo fídíò náà wọ́n ní bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ thank you kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ bá wa like and share.
The Department of State Services on Sunday dismissed reports claiming that Abdulaziz Yari, senator representing Zamfara West, was invited by the secret police over alleged refusal to respond to telephone calls from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The spokesperson for the DSS, Peter Afunaya, in a statement said that Yari knows why he was invited by the secret police, adding that the online report about the former governor's arrest is laughable and petty. The report had alleged that Yari was arrested and detained by the DSS over claims that he shunned Tinubu's telephone calls in June. The telephone call was said to have been made to pressure the former Zamfara governor to drop his ambition to become Nigeria's Senate president. The DSS also denied reports that its operatives carted away all incriminating files relating to Tinubu and his close aides from the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission and Code of Conduct Bureau. I mean, when we see these types of stories circulating on social media, the first thing I thought was, can the president be that petty to, have the DSS invite the Zamfara governor over a telephone call? What are your thoughts on this, Dr. Abati?
Well, I think it's fairly straightforward. Yeah. Dr. Peter Afunaya, the spokesperson of the Department of State Services, has already put out an explanation here. And the word of caution here is that, people should just be careful how they take stories on the surface value. In fact, what you left out, he said those reports that he referred to, will seem to fit the description of junk journalism. He said it's junk journalism, fake news, as he otherwise labeled it. So it's just for people to be cautious. Because after a fashion in this country, if there is any speculation about any public official, people just begin to crucify the person. Yeah. They begin trial by media. All kinds of names have been mentioned in some of the reports that are out there. But the DSS clearly, doesn't feel that it's under any obligation at this stage, to tell anybody this is why we invited her. And that was why Dr. Afunaya said, Governor Yari, former Governor Yari, now Senator Yari, knows why he was invited. The basic principle of it is that when a man is no longer a governor, Section 308 of the Constitution, which grants immunity to about 74 categories of elected officials, from the president to the VP to governors and the deputy governors, no longer applies. And so, that immunity means you can be invited. Even while you are in office, you can be investigated. And nobody, the principle is nobody is above the law, whether a former governor or a senator, a serving senator of the Federal Republic. Yeah. The details, if they have anything, will come into the public domain. Yes. But people should refrain from character assassination, from speculation. Well, I don't want to use the word that Dr. Afunaya used about junk journalism, because we do professional work here. Yes.
Yeah, but the question is still out there. A lot of people are asking, why was Yari invited at this point?
So let's chart an empirical course.
Yes.
Oji. 29 May 2022. EFCC arrests ex-Zamfara Governor Yari over 84 billion Accountant General fraud. Yeah, the pending case. 5th June 2023. Court stops EFCC, ICPC, DSS from detaining ex-Governor Yari. Empirical trail. You should know that Yari, obviously before now, had a debacle with the authorities as regards corruption and other cases. All right? And the authorities taking action as regards this. Check an empirical trail. That's all I'll say.
Absolutely.
Let's deal with facts.
All right. Well, that's why the DSS says that Yari knows exactly why he was
hitherto, Yari had run-ins with the law.
Yeah,
and I remember
absolutely.
we even stated this while he was running to be Senate president, that hitherto you have back and forth with the law. It's as simple as that.
All right, then.
ẹ ti wo fídíò náà tán dá because náà ló fọ́ọ̀nì sí mi tó yà mí lẹ́nu pé báwo lèèyàn ṣe máa sọ pé torí pé mo pè lórí fóònù kò gbé kọ́ mi kán wá ìyẹn mi pé Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ń fọwọ́ lálẹ́ nìyẹn but wọ́n ní irọ́ ni o kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o because èmi náà wò pé kò lè possible pé because of pé ààrẹ pé kò dáhùn lórí fóònù ìtorí ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti máa ní kán lọ gbé ìyẹn mi pé ó ti lẹ́bọ lẹ́rù ni tàbí kó ti nígbẹ́ni tàbí kó ti ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kan tẹ́lẹ̀ anyway gbogbo ara máa mọ bó ṣe ń lọ a máa fún yín gbọ́ ìwọ láìkè tó kó ṣí ẹ̀rẹ̀ because ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó gbípọn díẹ̀ torí pé lágbájá torí pé mo pè lórí fóònù kò gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó fọ́nì ní o ó fọ́nì gan lóyè kí n gbé wá fún yín. Thank you so much. God bless you. Like and share.